Hi, my name is Shalan. I study in 8th standard and I am studying Python programming in Besant Technologies Electronic City. Here I have a game that is made using the turtle module, which is very easy to make. And the only keys I programmed to be used is the arrow keys over here. And let's see the output, what happens. I'll just run the module and you can see that it's working perfectly without any delay. And the food which is here isn't designed to any particular place. Since I've given it to random, it's gonna come anywhere in the screen, which you can see. So as you can see, the output comes very good without any delay. And the snake gets bigger as usual with the food, with eating the food, and it comes in random places. So this program works very well. My trainer's name is Santosh. He teaches in a lot of different ways. So people who don't know technology can also learn from Besant here. They start from scratch, so even I am able to catch up properly.